Now I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful tree topper bow. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm using the gold wire, and I'm going to cut a piece that's long enough that I can fold it in half, lay it into my Bowdabra, and tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way, because this is going to be a big bow. Now, if you're not familiar with the Bowdabra, there are springs underneath here, so that's what's going to hold everything together and hold it tight in the Bowdabra. First thing I'm going to do now is take my tails, and rather than dovetailing on this bow, I'm just going to curl my tails underneath and just make them like a little roll. And I've already done this on the other one. I'm going to go fold it in half, go to the center, and I like to just gather it here and scrunch it down into my Bowdabra. We'll just get the tails out of our way here. We're making a big tree topper bow, so we're going to get started by taking this, and we're just going to twist it. And I just want to leave enough on the end so that it's not going to pop out. Then I'm going to fold this over, and I'm going to twist again and scrunch that into my Bowdabra. And again, I'm going to fold it over and twist it and scrunch it into my Bowdabra. Now I'm just going to lift this up here and make sure that both loops are the same size. So now I'm going to do the same thing here. We're going to make 4 loops on each side. So this is going to be a really perfect tree topper or a big bow for a wreath or a mantle. And we're just going to fold this over, twist it, and we're going to fold it over here. And I'm just measuring now my loops to the size of the loops that I've already made. So we're just going to fold it. And again, I'm going to fold it back and just take it. And this is our 4-inch wide red velvet ribbon. So a red velvet ribbon is about the thickest ribbon that you're going to work with, but you can do it easily in the Bowdabra. And this ribbon is a 4-inch wide ribbon. So we're just going to fold that over, make sure my loops are the same size. And this makes, like I said, a great tree topper bow or a big wreath bow. So now what I'm going to do is I want to make my little loop in the center of my bow. So I'm just going to fold that over here and just scrunch it in, but I'm not going to twist this time. Now I'm going to just take my wand and give everything a good scrunch in the Bowdabra. Then, if you remember, I folded my wire in half. So now I have a slip knot. So I'm going to just pull it through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it out. I'm going to separate my ends and bring it around to the back, and I'm going to just tie it and tie another knot. And then I can use my wire to tie this onto the tree. And I'm just going to take it and shape from the center out. And we're just going to loop it. And this is a wired ribbon, which makes it really easy to shape. And we're just going to use this up here and bring my tails down. Take my wire and bring that out of the way, and we're just shaping here. Bring this out here and shape. And now you see how simply using the Bowdabra you can make a gorgeous tree topper bow.